a compact, practical, and cozy single-story house that prioritizes an open-concept social area and a gourmet space. This is Pink Pepper House in Xangri-lá, Brazil. Spanning approximately 2,680 square feet, it was designed by Stemmer Rodrigues Arquitetura. The house establishes a connection with the street, with minimal concerns for privacy, as it is located in a cul-de-sac where pathways, gardens, and interior spaces blend seamlessly. Beyond architectural techniques and aesthetics, the design also emphasizes economy and sustainability. The architecture upholds the home's aesthetic concept without requiring significant investments in furniture. Additionally, the project maximizes space efficiency, eliminating unused or excessive areas. As a single-story home, it features continuous flooring made of large, locally sourced irregular basalt stones, a common material in the region that adds unity and character to the house. The entire social area faces the front of the lot, taking advantage of an additional condominium space that existed there. In this area, the existing jacaranda trees seem to lean over the property, almost as if they are entering the house. Despite being clad almost entirely in glass with minimal external walls, wooden brise-soleils provide privacy for the intimate facade, regulating natural light when opened or closed. The limited lot size led to the placement of the garage space in a multi-purpose area, serving both as parking and an entry hall. A large skylight in this space enhances natural lighting. The defining feature of Pink Pepper House is the inclined concrete slab roof, which extends over the main facade like a concrete vessel ready to set sail.